You want to add something unique in your stories to engage your audience. You are at right video. We Leonardo AI Image Generator will give you image for your video. We will learn how. Make an account in Leonardo Ai. First type Leonardo AI in Google. Click on the first link below. Select I am whitelisted. Add Google account. And boom, add your name and select I am 18. Click on enthusiastic. You will land on interface. Scroll down and select AI Image Generator. Check all the settings. You can select the image number to 1 to 4. Resolution. Go to setting. We will generate an image now. Go to ChatGPT and write something. Copy and paste and Leonardo text bar. Yes, we the absolute right image. So guys, this is it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share.